Good morning students. Welcome back to Alchemy online class. Class 5. We are learning about features of Word 2013. As we have discussed how to set the paragraphs in Word 2013, we are going to see how to set the pages and how to do the printout in a Word 2013. So let's begin. So students, we are going to see this topic, that is setting page properties. Setting page properties means in Word, this page is called as a page, and we are going to see the such properties, that how to give the margin to the page, page orientation and page size. So I will show you one by one example by using our course book. Sizing, four side this, up, down, right and left. So the margins are top, left, page, bottom, page height and right margin. So these are the page margins. Okay, this is the way how to set up page margin. Then after page orientation. Page orientation is a property that determines the printing direction of the text. The page orientation can be set as a portrait. Portrait means you can see this picture. Portrait orientation is a default orientation. In this orientation, the document is printed lengthwise. It prints lengthwise, like a straight way it print. You can see this example. This is example of a portrait line orientation. Then after second orientation is landscape. In landscape orientation, the document is printed widthwise. Widthwise means you can see slanting way. You can see the picture of this is a landscape orientation, that is called in a slanting way. It's print like a slanting way. Okay, this is called two types of properties. Then after page size, you all know the in drawings you all are using different kinds of paper. In computer also there are different kind of page sizes. Page size refers to the height and width of the paper on which the printout is taken. You can choose to take the printout at a different page size like A4 and A5. To set up page margin. Step number 1, we will click on page layout tab. Then after step 2, click on margin option in the page setup group. Then after all list of predefined margin setting appears like this. Then after we will click on predefined margin setting, that is number 3. So it set margin as a normal way, the length and the width. Then after second option is that more options, more page margin options are there in our computer. Okay, so how we will do? First of all, we will click on customize margin option that are present on page setup. Like this will open. Here customize option is there. We can customize margin. Step 2, we will give the length of top and left margin, and then after we will click on OK. Second setting page property is setting page orientation, that I already told you, landscape and portrait. So how we will do? Step number 1, we will click on page layout tab. Step number 2, click on orientation, and then after select orientation type as a landscape and portrait. We can choose as landscape or portrait for our page. Now we are going to see how to set up page size. So step 1, again we have to click on page layout tab. Step number 2, click on the size option in the page setup group. A list of page size appears. These all are the present size of a page, that as per your desired page. Step number, you can select any page and then after choose the desired page size. Now students, we are going to see how to preview and print a document in a Word 2013. So first step, we will click on File tab. Then after, we will click on Print option. So it automatically preview the page. This kind of page will print out. Here in the preview section, you can see the zoom bar. You can zoom in and zoom out by using this options. Okay. From here, printer properties, you can select the different kind of printers. You can select different kind of printers as your printer available. Then after, you can enter here number of copies, that how many copies you want as a print. Okay, now under setting options, here this all are the setting options. Click on the arrow next to print all page. You have to click here and you can see choose print all pages. To print the entire document, there how many documents are there, you can print it out. Choose print selection as print only the selected text. Example, if I select setting, so it's print out only setting. Then after, print current page means the opened page is called as a current page. Print custom range page. Range means, if example I have given page number 1 and 3 I want print out, so I can take a print out of that. Then after, choose only print odd page. You all know odd and even sequence. So if I give odd pages range, then I can easily see odd pages. Okay, here it is only print odd and only print even. Then after, I will click on print and it will take out printout if you have a printer connected to your computer. I think and reflect. Here one question is appear. What is the backstage view in the 2013 and what are its uses? So I will ask you this question in the Zoom class. What is a backstage view in Word 2013? So students, I am giving you one work. Those who have computer at their home or laptop at their home, they can try this exercise. Pick any English textbook and write 2 paragraphs and you have to change the alignment to paragraph to justify. You have to give the alignment paragraph to justify. And set the line spacing to 2.0 and before and after the paragraph spacing is 5 point. Apply left indentation of 0.5 to both the paragraphs. Have computers and laptop at their home, they can pick a newspaper, an article, and they can type the article in columnar format, set the page margin and print the document. Only you have to see how to set the page margin and set the print document. And those who don't have computer and laptop at their home, they can read the course book and they can see the steps of page margins and print documents. If you are printing more than one copy of a document, then you can choose between collated and uncollated option under the settings section. Choose the collated option to print a complete copy of the document before the first page of the next copy is printed. Choose the uncollated option to print all the copies of the first page and then print all copies of each of sequential pages. So here some settings of a printing documents with collated and uncollated options in settings sections by using printing documents. As I told you from I Learn for Life section, collated and uncollated. Collated means, if example I want to print out in sequence papers like 1, 2, 3. I want to print out page number 1, 2, 3 one time. Again I want to take a print out of 1, 2, 3. Again I want to take out a print of page number 1 and 2 and 3. Uncollated means we can choose any kind of number. Example, I want to take out page number 1 3 times. So I will give page 111, then after page 222 and then after page 333. So this kind of settings are there in Word 2013. So students, in this chapter we all have discussed some this important kind of topics, that are paragraph formatting. Here we have seen alignment, indentions, line spacing, paragraph spacing. Then after column formatting, how to do the formatting in columns in a table way. Then after we seen find feature, there how to find and replace the text. Then after we already have seen setting page properties, how to do the page margin, how to take print out, how to give some margins and some equal collaboration in the printing page. I know you all have understood the concept today I taught you. So you all have to read the course book at your home, and as I am giving you some exercise, you have to do it. Bye students, be safe, stay home.